Hi guys, I was gifted these from the seller to show you all its cool features. They are the cable tie buckle. You can use them in place of screws. They look like this. So they're basically a zip tie, but they have a T on the end. And they have a little button that goes on them. So to put it on it, you just go ahead and zip it on like this. You can hear it snap in there. There's threads on both sides, so it gets a really good hold on it. And then you can pull. You're not pulling this apart. I'm just telling you, you're not pulling it apart. So let me go use it on my truck and show you what you can use it for. All right, there's a lot of uses that you can use the zip tie for. There's a lot of automotive uses too. So I just need to fix this plastic part on the front of my truck, and I'll just go ahead and stick the zip tie through. All right, I got the zip tie secured in the back so it can't pull through. Then you just put it on like this and cinch it down. And that's all there is to it. Of course, you're going to want to cut off the end here, trim it, make it look pretty. And that's it. So I got it all fixed up. So if you guys need this cable tie buckle zip tie, this is a 50-piece set. So go ahead and order it. It'll work out great for you.